Berois, the faith attempt, and embraces Owen Wilder. Through will the Ramadan is already near. What are you planning for us to meet? You are my not saying anything. You keep silent in everything. I ask you, why are you doing this to me? I have never turned my back on you if you don't come with me on the Ramadan. I will never be happy with you, my love, my everything. From the moment you entered my life, my world changed. You are the light in my darkest days, the calm in my storms, the love that falls every impet space in my heart. I breathe from for you. I dream of you, and every bite of my dream whispers your name. I have searched for a love like you are, a love so deep, so true, so unbreakable. And now that I have found you, I never want to let you go. You are not just a woman I want to. You are my soul's greatest treasures. Any my distant, my forever. So here I stand with my heart in my hands, asking you, will you are marry me? Will you be the queen of my life, the mother of our future, the one I wake up to every morning and hold every night? I promise to love you endless, to cherishing you with every breath, and to stand by you united my last date. Say yes, my love, and let's build a lifetime of happinesses together. Thank you for this love day. I always love you all the days of my life because you are the sun that lights up my world. I cannot think you. You are reading and another texting, letting you know how much I appreciate the love you give me every day. Have a beautiful morning, my girl. I only feel so sad and cannot sleep. The pains is too much and cannot be without you in my life. Why cannot you understand that I really loves you and never wish to let go of you, my love? Every time I see you, I am reminded of how true, beautiful you are, warmth, reddest through your smiles and your eyes, hold a kindness that captivates me. You are masterpiece, not just in applications, but in the way you care yourself with gross strength and un- untably cream. I have fallen deeply in love with you, not just for how stunning you are, but for the uncorrectable persons you are inside. You have touched me heart in ways I never imagined possibly, and I know without depth that I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me and be queen of forever. I promise to crush. I drug and stand beside you for all the days of our lives. A girl like you with a heart of my gold deserve all the good things in this life, and I am property to go the extra meal to see you have these in your life. I know you would do the same for me, even more. That's a fact. When I look into your eyes, I am connected to your souls. All see in profound love. I see a reminder of why I must work hard to give you everything you will, every need. You have made me a complete person. Thank you, my love.